how to download new version CapCut in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now search for the app CapCut. With that, CapCut app will appear. CapCut is a free video editing app available for both Android and iOS. As an app, it offers several useful editing features that let you edit your videos on your smartphone to share on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and others. It is a free all-in-one video editor and video maker application with everything you need to create stunning, high-quality videos. Beginners can get started with CapCut in a matter of seconds, while advanced users can enjoy all the functions they need to edit videos. Once app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update at the right corner of it. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. But if you find the option of Open as Mine, it means your CapCut app is already up to date. If CapCut comes up with new version, you will find the option of Update over here. You'll need to click on that option, and with that your CapCut will be updated. So this way you can download new version CapCut in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.